Let's make delicious palm nut soup the easy and fastest way ever. Hi there, I am Hirat and you're welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and turn on your notification. To start, into a saucepan, I will go in with my cow foot which is well washed. Next, I am going to season with onion, garlic, ginger and some peppers. So I added my onions at once, so I will not be adding any onions again. So I am going to add a little quantity of water and salt to taste, beef seasoning, and I am going to give this a very good stir for the cow food to be well coated with the marinade. I will then add my tomatoes because I want it to steam before blending it. So I will cover and allow my cow food to come to a cook for at least 30 minutes. So I allowed it to cook for 10 minutes before removing the tomatoes, and I am going to blend the tomatoes into a fine puree. At this point, I will go in with my smoked fish, and I didn't add them earlier because I didn't want them to scatter. So if you are adding fish to your soup and you have meat, make sure to cook the meat first before you add the fish in order for it not to scatter, okay? So I allow this to cook for another 20 minutes, and next I am going to add my palm nuts mixture. So I did this mixture off camera because I didn't want the video to be too long. So if you want to know how I made this mixture, I have a video of it on my channel and I will leave the link here. Next, I added my blended tomatoes and I added extra pepper. I added water to adjust because I didn't want the soup to be too thick. Next, I am going to add precursor or Asian fruit for that flavor and African taste. Cover it halfway like this and allow it to come to a boil. And here I will allow it to boil for at least 30 minutes again, and here my soup is almost ready. Just see how colorful, flavorful and yummy this soup is looking. Here I was testing it to see if the seasoning is okay. If it is not okay by you, just adjust it a little bit, okay? So next I am going to garnish this with some papushito, and I will allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. And just like that, I made myself proper homemade palm nut soup at the comfort zone of my home. So if you want to give this recipe a try, don't forget to follow my procedure and you will love the outcome. So if you make the soup, what are you pairing it with? If you want it to be lighter, just like this, then your soup is ready. If you want it thicker, then you can leave it on the fire or on the heat for as long as you want. So I paired my soup with fufu, and oh, it went on so well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end, and don't forget to give this video a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. See you next time. Bye.